Hello everybody, welcome to this week's product review. I'm your host, Jim Carr, and what I'm going to show you here today is going to be something really exciting as far as I'm concerned. I had this company send me a light, an LED light to try out in my workshop or in filming and whatever I might want to use it for. So I'm going to do a product review on it. It's a nice light. For somebody who might need something like this for their house, their workshop, for filming, whatever you might need to have a auxiliary, I guess you would say, shop light, this is going to be the light for you. So don't go away. You're going to want to check this light out. All right, so this is the light we're talking about, okay? Very, very, very well built. I can't tell you, how excited I was to see this. It's not just something that was just thrown together. It's an LED light, 110 volt. It has a really long 10-foot cord, and I'm going to tell you what that's for here in just a minute. And all these LED lights, if you can take a look at them, they have a housing on every one of them. There's 12 of these that go around the base. Plus, there's an LED light on the very bottom. But what that's for is to protect each one of these 12 units from getting damaged, broken, or dirty. Now, another thing I like about this light is it's got this unique, really nice clip up here. Okay, so you can hang this off from your ceiling. You can hang it off from a pipe or anything that you might have. You can put a screw eye in the ceiling and hang it from there. And another thing is this attachment right here, and what this is for is you can add another light right into this and just plug them right in series, right down the line. This is a 150 watt light, and I think it's 5,000 luminous, okay? So it's pretty powerful. I'm going to turn it on here and show you just how powerful it is. But you can put 5 of these in a series throughout your garage with this 10-foot cord, and it'll make a great addition to your garage or your basement, your workshop, whatever you might need it for. Another thing is it's not cheap. I might as well bring that up to you right now. It's got a nice wire cage, a nice wire frame around it, so it can take some abuse. The plastic, this is not flimsy plastic. It would take a lot to break this. If you dropped it, I'm not going to try it, but if you were to drop this, I doubt if you would break or crack it. The handle's reinforced. As you can see, it's got a piece of metal that's in there that attaches to this right here, to a metal plate on the top. So it's a really well built, strong light. On the bottom, it's got holes right here for cooling, to keep this thing cool. So let's go ahead and get it turned on and get it fired up, and just go ahead and see how good it works. Anywhere you need a shop light, the shop light will work best for you. Another thing I like about this shop light is that unlike your conventional type, sometimes it's really hard to find a place to hang this light to get it in the exact place where you need to have your light focusing on. Okay, so I've hung up my light up here on my track for my garage door, and I want to plug it in and show you how it takes away the dead spots and gives me a lot more light, and makes it a whole lot easier for me to work in my workshop. and it makes it very easy to be able to do any service that I need to do on a piece of equipment in my garage where I may not have enough light to do so. And with this light right here, you'll have plenty of light in any situation where you might be working and you might need the extra light. So just look at the link in the description below and follow that link and check out this great light right here. I'm sure it's going to give you all the light you need in your workshop or for whatever application you might need extra light for. Check it out.